What's going on, y'all? Today we're checking out that world famous butter burger. Straight out of Wisconsin, child. They love their butter up there. But anyway, let's get into it.
This is Stelly's Grill from Glendale, Wisconsin, right next to Milwaukee. And we serve the old-fashioned butter burger.
Man, them burgers sure do look good on that grill.
Stelly's is famous for its hamburger. My stepfather started the restaurant in 1936, and we've been around for 68 years and still cooking hamburgers with real butter.
Y'all know butter makes everything better.
Butter burgers, of course, are popular in the Midwest here, and especially in Wisconsin. There's not many around anymore, and especially the way we do it. Not many restaurants use the big dollop of butter that we use because, of course, butter is a very expensive commodity. A lot of places will take a brush and they'll just swipe the hamburger with a brush. We use the good old-fashioned butter in its regular state and plop it on the hamburger and let it melt on the hamburger as you're eating it.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of
Butter
butter.
comes from Wisconsin. I've got strict orders to my supplier that I only want butter from Wisconsin. I can tell you in a week we go through anywhere between 125 to 150 pounds of butter. Real Wisconsin butter. We keep the cows alive here in Wisconsin. The menu hasn't changed much at all. Maybe a little bit more salads because people like salads. And last year we added a veggie burger. That's probably what's caused Stelly to turn over in his grave. A long time ago, somebody gave me a plaque, and it's a real cute plaque. We have it in our front hall. And it says, good food should be made with a lot of love and a lot of butter. And that's our slogan at Stelly's Grill.
Oh yeah, it do look real tasty. I definitely want to try this burger. So we gon' make it, y'all. We gon' make it. I hope y'all look forward to the video of me making this burger and look forward to seeing it in a couple of weeks. Come check me out. We gonna make it real tasty, y'all, as always. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.